So we're Aquasensing. We're a startup founded out of Waterloo, Ontario, and we began working on this about a year and a half ago. So I just want to start with a quote. Around 25 years from now, where those lines cross is known by some as the jaws of death, the point at which we will not have enough water to supply our needs unless we take action to change things. This is a quote from Sir James Bevan, Chief Executive of the UK Environment Agency in 2019. Let's talk about water leaks. 1/3 of the UK's water is lost due to leaks and wastage. And in 2017 and 2018, 9 out of 20 UK water utilities missed their leak reduction targets, some incurring fines of up to £120 million. The regulator's goal for 2050 is leak reduction of 50%. So what's causing these leaks? Aging and degrading water supply infrastructure. The UK has 350,000 kilometers of existing pipeline and loses over £3 billion per year in lost water alone, and over another £3 billion in water damage caused by these leaks. Leak detection today is difficult. You have handheld acoustic monitoring hardware where a technician walks along a pipeline and listens for leaks. You have fiber optics that are installed with pipelines, acoustic sensors that are done the same way. And then of course you have visual inspection where you notice a leak because all of a sudden your street or your office is flooded. Each of these technologies has its own strengths and weaknesses. Handheld acoustic monitoring and visual inspection provides very slow response times. Leaks often go undetected for months or years, if ever. Fiber optics and acoustic sensors are not feasible for existing pipelines in a lot of cases, and the cost to retrofit those pipelines is astronomical. So what we've developed is a battery-free water leak sensor that can provide instant alerts to the cloud for leaks, has very simple and easy installation, can provide 100% water network coverage, and comes in at a low cost with no maintenance because it's battery free. Here's the way a conventional Internet of Things device works. It has sensors, a controller, a radio that connects to the cloud, power source, and power management. But by eliminating the need for any kind of power source, we're able to greatly simplify the overall system, greatly reducing the number of failures our sensors have, as well as the cost it takes to produce them. Right now, most of our focus has been in residential leak detection. We're signing our first reseller agreement right now in Canada with an average demand of about 700 sensors per building. So a few hundred flats, got to use the right term, and 1 or 2 sensors per flat. We provide one central database to track and locate leaks. And because our sensors are battery free and require no maintenance, you can put them behind permanent walls and in ceilings, really make them part of the construction process. To recap the last year, we spun off from the University of Waterloo, successfully conducted 2 small-scale pilots here in Canada with a 100% leak detection rate, and filed 3 patents. Late last year, we completed our first manufacturing run in Shenzhen, China, and qualified our sensors for reliability and shipping. At the end of last year, we were awarded a £30,000 grant and developed a quality assurance program. Right now, we're doing a pilot in Nova Scotia, Canada, and signing our first reseller agreement, which should generate sales of around 10,000 units per month. And we've also been awarded an additional £7,000 in funding. Over the next year, our main goal is to move upstream. Because our goal is to save water, the further upstream we can go in the water supply, the more water we can save, because this leakage is roughly constant throughout most of the supply. And we need a partner to do this. Installation will be easy. You dig a small 6-centimeter borehole, drop a sensor in, fill the hole, and replace it in 25 years. And for that 25-year period, you have instant leak detection notifications. Right now, our residential unit is going for £33 per sensor, and we're confident that at high volumes and with our next generation electronics, Our utilities version will sell for £3 per sensor. The sensor data connection to the cloud costs £7.50 per year. Oops, having a bit of, there we go. So what's the advantage of a partnership? We estimate that the capital cost of the sensors will cost around £3,500 per kilometer, not including installation. The installation cost will be something we'll need to figure out with our partner. And this gives a less than 12-month return on investment for saved water alone. We're able to provide a 30% discount for a UK utility who's able to partner with us and validate all of this. We've identified Birmingham, Manchester, and Leeds as 3 high priority pilot cities because over half the pipes in these cities are over 60 years old. As part of this pilot partnership, we also would like to participate in Ofwat's Water Innovation Fund in either 2021 or 2022. So the big term goals are to achieve full coverage of our partners' network, expand into other UK regions and achieve full UK coverage, ramp up sensor production, and then scale up with private utilities in the USA and China as well. By Q2, we hope to have a pilot agreement in effect with a UK utility partner, begin pilot production. By Q3, we want to complete our utilities R&D, so installation and sensor testing in the pilot city, as well as complete design and supply chain refinement. By the end of the year, we'd like our pilot to be fully underway and growing, and we'll also create regional sales team and scale up our manufacturing capacity to 100,000 sensors.
You got 1 minute, Connor.
Okay, thank you. We're an experienced team of experts across green technology, Internet of Things, consumer electronics, and nanomaterials. And we're confident we're the right team to solve water scarcity issues. Aquasensing. We provide scalable and green leak detection. We have an experienced team and expert advisors, and we're growing into the utility space to save more water. Feel free to get in touch with me at connor.algindi@aquasensing.com. Thank you.